Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we enable auto brightness mode setting in our phone, and after enabling how can we use. Today I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we enable auto brightness mode in our phone and friend, how can we use it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable guys your auto brightness setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, then click on guys your phone display setting guys, tap on display setting. So once you can see this type of settings, so then how can you enable guys your auto brightness mode setting guys. You can see there is no any brightness setting. So once you can see guys your brightness level guys, tap here. Once you can see your auto brightness guys, we will enable from here guys. You can see adjust brightness to ambient light to save battery. So when you can adjust guys, then guys you can use this brightness setting. And when you will go outside, when you will come inside guys, so yes, your phone brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So like that guys, you can enable your auto brightness and you can use in your phone. So that's it guys, bye.